Hello and welcome to my video on the exciting world of 3D printing. Today, we'll be diving into this fascinating technology, exploring its uses and benefits, and learning how it's changing the way we think about manufacturing. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating physical objects from digital designs. The process starts with a digital 3D model that is sliced into layers, and a 3D printer then prints each layer one at a time, using a variety of materials such as plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food. The end result is a three-dimensional object that perfectly matches the digital model. Applications of 3D printing. The applications of 3D printing are virtually endless. In the manufacturing industry, it's used to create everything from car parts to airplanes. In medicine, 3D printing is used to create prosthetic limbs and implants that fit perfectly with a patient's body. Architects use 3D printing to create scale models of buildings and structures, and artists use it to create sculptures and other creative works. Even NASA is using 3D printing to create rocket parts and tools for astronauts. Benefits of 3D printing. One of the key benefits of 3D printing is its ability to create complex shapes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Additionally, 3D printing can reduce waste and cost by producing only the necessary amount of material, as opposed to traditional manufacturing, which often results in excess material being discarded. 3D printing can also save time and money by allowing for rapid prototyping and production, making it ideal for small batch production runs. Challenges and limitations of 3D printing. While 3D printing is a powerful technology, it's not without its challenges and limitations. For example, the quality of the final product is highly dependent on the quality of the digital model and the printing process. Additionally, certain materials are more difficult to print than others, and the size of the printer can limit the size of the objects that can be printed. Overall, 3D printing has revolutionized the way we think about manufacturing and has opened up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. From manufacturing to medicine to art, 3D printing is changing the way we design and create things. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting applications and benefits to emerge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about 3D printing. Subscribe, like and share this channel.